Hello everyone, welcome to watch the laser equipment science popularization video. Today I will show you to disassemble very popular laser equipment on the market recently. A laser welding machine. I believe that many friends have learned and seen this device, especially friends in metal industry. Today we will disassemble it and provide a chance for your further learning. First of all, we introduce the structure of this machine, the working principle and function of each part. This part is QBH, used to connect the laser device. Here is the swing mirror, and then the motor drives the swing mirror. Left and right vibration from the focus lens transmission down, forming the focused laser beam. You can start welding. Put on dust-proof gloves to prevent dust from entering and affect subsequent use. After removing the screw of this part, you can see the focus lens. The focusing lens is used to make the laser focus on the strongest point to achieve better welding effect. After the 4 screws at the head of the gun and the 2 screws on the side are removed, you can see that the line is locked with this screw, which is used to form a safety loop to play a guiding role. Remove the 4 screws in this part. Then remove the label if allowed. Pay attention to the line and gently pull it out. Let's disassemble QBH. Remove the screws on the side. Pull them off gently and then disassemble the side cover. First loosen the 4 screws here, then remove the 4 screws here with a screwdriver. You can see this part is the merger of the line, neat and orderly. Then disassemble the switch button. Remove the fixed 4 screws. And then directly remove the 4 screws of this part. Direct lenses. Use the cardboard card in this side slot, twist it, and need to be wrapped with the paper towels after it is unscrewed. It is a conditional dust-proof cloth. This lens needs to be replaced for 5 to 7 days, which is consumable. Next is the disassembly of the motor. As you see, this part is the motor. This screw controls the left and right movement of the motor. This screw controls the up and down movement of the motor. Then, remove the remaining screws. And the entire part is disassembled in this way. Thank you for your watching. If you have any question, connect with us freely.